How to resize image in Canva without cropping. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can resize image in Canva without cropping. Now, if you try to make the image size the same size as the design page or any other element, the part of the image will be cut off. Now, the only solution to this is to make the element or design page the same size as the size of the image. So for this, you want to click on the position button at the top. Then on the left side, you will find the image size. Now you want to save these sizes in your notebook. After this, you can resize your design page the same size as the image. For this, you want to click on the resize option at the top. Now select the resize option. Select custom size. Now you want to paste in the size of the image. After that, click on the resize option. Now you require the Canva Pro in order to do so. So you just want to start a free trial option. In order to do that, follow the on-screen prompts. Once you have been subscribed to the free version of Canva Pro, you will be able to resize image in Canva without cropping. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.